Hello, everyone. I am teacher Janine. I am a passionate and certified English teacher. I hold a bachelor's degree in education and a level 5 TEFL certificate. I've worked with many learners from different ages and levels. I like reading, photography, and painting beautiful pictures. Here, let me show you a painting. This is a painting of the galaxy. The galaxy is high up in the sky. We can see the galaxy only at night when the planets and the stars come alive. I believe learning English should be fun and engaging. In my lessons, we focus on speaking, pronunciation, and real life communication. Whether you are learning English for travel, for work, or personal growth, I will be there to guide you and support you every step of the way. I can't wait to meet you and help you reach your English goals. See you in my next class. Goodbye.